Welcome to Excel Speedrun episode 15. By the end of this video, we are going to learn what is a slicer and its conditions and how to add slicers for a table. First of all, let us learn slicers. What are they? Slicers are visual filters. Using slicers, you can filter the data, a pivot table or a pivot chart by clicking on the type of data you want. For example, if you are looking at sales by customer profession in pivot report and you see how sales are for a particular region, there are two options for you to an individual region level. Add individual region as report filter and filter the region you want. Add slicer on the region and click on the region you want. Now let us see what are the necessities for using a slicer. For using the slicer, the data assigned to the slicer must be in a format. First one is headers should be at the top. Second is the information must be clean. There should not be any unnecessary information. Third, it should be there in a tabular format. Now let us see what are the conditions required and do our table fulfills the conditions. Here we have the sales report. Now let us see how to clean this data. First of all, I do not need the line of the sales report. I am going to delete it. The headers are now at the top and there is no unnecessary information, comments or anything. So now let us select the sales range and then convert it to table and click on my table as headers. It will be mostly selected by default, but if it is selected, select my table as headers since it will be necessary and now click on OK. Now select the column color you want and design you want, and now our table is created. Now how to insert slicers? There are two ways to insert the slicers. First is under the table designs, you can insert the slicers. Other one being is inserting slicers from insert tab from the filters option. Now let us see. Click on the information under the table design, insert slicer. This tab will get open. Now you can select on whatever things you want as a slicer. For now, let us keep it as item, region and date and click on OK. As you can see, these three slicers are added. First, a second and third. Then you can also adjust the size of the slicers and also the shape of the slicers. For example, once you click another table called slicers, which is a temporary table, will get open. Here also we have the light theme and the dark theme. Now let us see how to create reports. You can see if I click on the first one, it will be 1st of January 2016. So only the information of 1st January 2016 will be displayed. This is information for 2nd January 2016. So let us see for 1st January 2016 under the eastern region how many glass color has been sold. So you can see one glass color has been sold. You can see 3 pencils, 1 oil paint, and for the west only paper and oil paint has been sold, whereas glass color and pencil columns are void. You can select multiple options. For example, I want all the categories are from east and west. So just click here and select both of them, east and west. Also applies that if you only want oil paint and paper, you can use this. To clear the all filters, click on clear filters, and this is how you can add slicers in your Excel. One more important thing to notice that you can also bring the slicers front and back and also change the name of your slicers. Now let us see what is bringing the slicers front and back. If I increase the length and adjust the slicers here, it would not be visible. But if we set the region and send it backwards, you can see the region and overlapping the date. This bring forward and send backward command can also be used to arrange the slices in whatever ways you want. You can increase the column height and sizes. And that is it you need to learn for slicers and adding the slicers. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out our different videos too. Till then, bye.